This is the application of the I want to explain. Ember Fund Invest in Crypto. The last update is 3rd April 2022. Yes. So here is some information, and they will tell you not store at all. It is a scam. This is good app. Let's give free stats every hours and possibly. So I want to, but as we see the stars, this is a 5 stars, and the people believe on that. Let's look at this application, which is the first one on the left side. Some information. Yeah. This is if you like to get free Bitcoin or get free mining application. This is something for you. And here the wallet. Here is the deposit. If you just want to put money here, then just click here. If you like to send money to me, Bitcoin, then of course you just scan this. Of course you can send it here. Otherwise, we click on the mining here, and every 24 hours the earning will be green, and you need to click on that, and this will be start to mining. But how we can boost this? Just click on both, and there is some information how to start mining, get more profit. So yeah, now I want to compare with CryptoTab. Why I want to CryptoTab is not good as this one. There were one really big reason actually is I don't need to come back every 4 hours or 3 hours to start clicking and again and again. So this is the good thing. I need to just click on 24 hours. I use my mobile. Maybe I have 4 or 5 old mobile at home, and I just click it and going to study or going to working. After the end of the day, I'm coming back. As I just click again, and this is the same something I can do every day when I have free time, and of course when I am at home. But CryptoTab, the big problem is you need to check it every 3 hours or something, and then you need to have faster, as I said, faster version, even when you don't get as well. So yeah, I have put in my invasion code in the section, below section. You just click it and you can start mining together. Yes.